Okay, here we are. Grumpy, gay, and dopey dude are having another death match. Dun, dun, dun. Two vaporizers up against one another. What's yours?
The mighty portable vaporizer by Storz Bickel.
Ooh, nice.
Mighty.
Gonna be tough. Oh, can you feel that? Is the ground shaking? Oh no, what's that? It's a volcano. The volcano. Dig it. Yeah, hey man, dig it. I'm a hippie. I gotta dig the volcanoes, man.
Not quite the rival as yours, but here is the mighty.
Boo!
Just as good as the Volcano.
No way.
Just as good, have to say.
How?
Goes.
And what? Look, how?
Taste-wise, just as good. More portable,
Give you that.
easier to use.
Look at this. Look at these buttons. Look at that going on there, and then you can turn it up. It does take a little bit longer to heat up. Look at it. It's beautiful species. It looks like it could be from another world. And if you use it enough, you might think that, or travel into another world, or what have you. You heat it up, and then it's got like this. Look at all the stuff you get with this. Look at this. You get these. You get all these wee bags, right? You got your wee easy valves, so that whenever you fill the bag up, it doesn't come out unless you want it to. And I like these bags, right? But see that? Listen, hear that? The bag's a wee bit noisy. It's a wee bit crinkly. Nobody likes a crinkly bag. So that is a downside.
Okay. If you want to do it in silent, the mighty is the way to go. Makes no noise. You can barely hear yourself pressing the button. And a lovely little display that tells you just how long the battery is going to last. Speaking of battery,
It just says 4. That's all that says.
yeah, but you know if it's 1 or 5.
It's 4 times. What's 4 times?
Well, you know it can last about 2 hours.
It just made that up.
No, not at all. And it's got one of the best battery lives for any portable
You
vaporizer.
don't need a battery for this.
Yeah, but you need a plug in a wall. What if we want to have a concert?
You don't have a plug in a wall.
What if, do I have one everywhere I go? No.
You can watch. You can get a DVD or a video VHS cassette tape. We used to have those, and you could watch like, you know, Al Jolson or Vic Reeves or one of those guys.
Who?
Jim Reeves.
Never
Jim
heard of
Reeves. Yeah, always really good stuff.
From the 40s, was he? When you were a wee kid?
Yeah. And you could put that on, and you could do it in the comfort of your own home. You don't have to leave the house. You know, I know a lot of people.
You don't have to leave the house for this. But you can take it outside. Go for a walk with your dog through the forest.
Well, what about the scary people when they're out there? Do you really want to take that chance?
I'll take that chance.
No,
For the
stay-
portability, just as good as the Volcano.
Stay at home.
Stick it in your pocket.
Outside is scary.
Not when you have this.
You could maybe,
Yeah.
like some millennial comes up and tries to steal your phone or something. Use a bot.
Boom. That could knock a person out. A fully grown man.
Yeah. You could. That would be good.
So not just a vaporizer, a weapon.
But you can make balloon animals out of these and all.
That is true.
You know.
Yeah. But look at this. With every mighty comes a little plastic grinder.
Yeah, you get the same thing with the Volcano. It's made with the same company. You look. It's exactly the same grinding device. If you like to grind.
Your dry herb.
Yeah, your dry herb. Yeah, of course. I wasn't talking about anything
No,
else.
no. But look, you can stick this on top of your mighty.
You can stick it on top of your. You can stick it. Yeah, right on top of your.
I
mighty.
will, and I'll enjoy myself, and I'll be outside.
Okay.
Or nowhere near a plug.
Then what do? You
can stick it on top of that, and you can pour your dry herb into it so that you don't.
How does it go? Like, show us.
Well, we don't have time because we're very busy people.
So you don't know how.
I could figure it out given time. I don't want to break it. See there. I'm sure there's a way to do it.
Yeah, I'm sure there is too. And I'm also sure you don't know how to do it. This is incredibly easy. If you are as stupid as Dopey Dude here, and you can't figure out how to use a vaporizer, the Volcano might be for you. Because you just heat it up. You wait till it's at the right temperature, then you push this guy here, puts the heat on. You have one of these boys in here, you put your dry herb, and then you push this. I can feel that, and it makes the whole balloon go up, and then you just work away. It's really easy.
Easy is to figure this out. 2 seconds, fit right on top.
Did you have someone help you? Is there someone else here? Who helped you?
No, only me and you. Unfortunately, wish there was someone else here. Could talk to them.
Okay.
And then you can put your dry herb in there, and it just scoops all in there, and you won't waste a gram.
Right. Now, price,
Efficient.
This is expensive.
How much is it?
It's $399.99 in UK.
In this economy?
Yes.
$399. The Mighty is only
things are picking up.
£2.55.
£2.55. That's
£2, 255 quid.
It's just not as
What
it's
a
not
steal. You'd be silly. Buy 2, 3, 4, 5
So
if you want.
Then that's going to cost more than the Volcano.
Yeah, but then you have 5 vaporizers.
Okay, so who wins the death match then? I think it has to be the Volcano because it's a Volcano.
I'll give
I just thought of the detail that just tips the Volcano over. Volcanic eruptions are good for climate change.
Well, that's just pure science, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can't argue with science.
Doesn't get any more science than that.
Volcano wins.
Yeah.
There we go. And that's us.